Looking for a great gadget? Our selection of the latest gadget reviews will help you find the ideal drones, GPS devices, toys and more. Also the latest reviews on laptop, mobile phone reviews, tablets, cameras and other gadgets reviews. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
SwagCycle Pro Folding Electric Bike Review. Electric bikes have come a long way since the first models. These days they offer faster speeds, better range and are much more portable. The SwagCycle Pro Folding Electric Bike is a great example. But is it one of the best electric bikes around? You are about to find out, since I recently spent many hours testing this e-bike. The SwagCycle is durable but light, and it reaches top speeds of up to 18 miles per hour. The 264-pound weight limit means that larger folks can get in on the fun too. It even has a built-in smartphone charger. Just plug your phone or electronic devices into the USB port in a hidden compartment. But does it perform good in the real world? Not only does the SwagCycle have a unique design, but it also folds quickly and easily, allowing you to take it with you on the bus or on a train. It has a great look. But that's not all it has going for it, with some nice bike features. Strong but light, 18 miles per hour top speed, and it can charge your phone. The SwagCycle's design is pretty different from anything out there. Though it is similar to the SwagCycle EB1. It's kind of sporty and kind of futuristic in a tubular way. It looks different enough to catch the eye, but it also serves a purpose. The design makes it easy to carry when you fold it down. I suspect it is also responsible for the smooth ride that this electric bike delivers. It's light at 30.4 pounds, with a maximum load of 264 pounds. The lightweight steel frame is solid and durable. This folding ebike also has dual disc brakes, an easy-to-use SwagCycle 2 app, built-in cell phone charging and bright bike light for nighttime. Modern electric bikes have powerful hub motors, and this one is no exception. It has a 250-watt motor, helping it hit speeds of up to 18 miles per hour. In conjunction with the 37V lithium battery, it gives you a max range of 15.5 miles on a single charge. That's a great range per charge to explore your city. The SwagCycle Pro has a 3 to 4 hour charging time, which frankly could be better considering the specs. There are others on the market that offer similar top speeds and range with a shorter battery charge time. While I wasn't thrilled with the weight, this e-bike is worth it. Plus you can plug your mobile devices in and charge them from the lithium-ion battery too. So how did this unusual motorbicycle perform? Very nice actually. I was surprised by how smooth the ride was. The 12 front and 10 rear air-filled rubber tires absorb bumps in the road very nicely. The top speed seems perfect for this SwagCycle ebike, and the dual disc brakes work beautifully. It's just fast enough to feel safe while you tackle speeds that feel like flying to your destination quickly. And while the seat is a comfortable fat tire bike, I did wish that I could adjust it, but sadly it is not adjustable. It folds down in a second and is easy to carry with you when needed. Swagtron is known for its quality vehicles, and this is the best robust and foldable electric bike. This SwagCycle e-bike has a great motor and lithium-ion battery. Whether you want to ride to work or run errands, this is a great riding experience. It only takes a few minutes to set it up and make adjustments before the first ride. One important note, it is great on paved roads, but does not perform well on other terrains. This is not a men's mountain bike. This is a surprisingly excellent e-bike for kids or adults. It has power, style, and is priced right. While I did want a faster charge time and didn't like that the seat was not adjustable, this is a reliable and pleasant ride for any situation. I can highly recommend this one to anyone who needs a folding e-bike. Who needs electric skateboards or an electric scooter when you have this? It is among the best folding bikes. And no bike pedaling and zero emissions.